Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 3 of the Get 5 Clients in 5 Days workshop. So today what I'm going to be doing is I want you guys to grab your workbook. Thank you for coming. I want you to go to day 3, okay, where it says set up your Google business. Now, even if you already have a Google business set up, I want you to watch what I do because I'm going to be showing you some secret sauce tips that you may not know that are a game changer for setting up your Google business listing for attracting great clients. I will tell you guys, I personally have found that even with all my clients that work with me, for myself and my clients, that this is the bar none, the most powerful way of attracting qualified clients to your brick and mortar business. So bear with me. I'm going to share my screen now, and I'm going to walk you guys through exactly. Let's see. You guys see that? Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen with you here. Can you guys see what I'm doing now? Okay, so let's get you first to where your Google business listing lives. So you have to have a Gmail email address, okay? So once you have your Gmail email address, in these little dots here, your Google apps, this is where your Google business listing lives, right? Now, if you don't have this set up yet, you're going to go to free Google business listing. And I do have a video, if you look in the guides in this group, on how to set that up. Free Google business listing. I will drop that link below, and you're going to sign up and register to have a Google business listing. Then they will send you a postcard to your physical address where you have your business, and then you enter a code in after you receive that in the mail, and then your listing will be live. So I'm going to be walking you through, assuming that you already have your free Google business listing listed. Now, this is a free Google business listing, okay? You're going to click here, and this is how you access your business profile. Now, I have a few different businesses under this profile. I'm going to access my hair salon for teaching purposes. I'm using my hair salon to show you how this works. So this is what the profile looks like on a desktop. I also have the app on my phone. I don't know if you guys can see close up. You see it up there in the corner? It's that blue house up here, and it looks like this close up, okay? And you can download that app on your phone once you sign up, and it's really easy to do what I'm going to teach you to do today. So here we are in our free Google business listing. So here you have your home, post, info. So you want to make sure that you go to info when you set everything up. And you want to make sure that you have here the top things that your salon is. So this is an example. This is an organic salon. So the top search words are organic salon, organic shop, beautician, beauty salon, hairdresser. So you see these. Now these can be changed. You can change them anytime you want. The only thing is you shouldn't change them too often because these help with your SEO, which means search engine optimization, meaning what people actually look for in your business. So make sure that your keywords that people are looking for are under this info. Then we go down here, you have your address, location, your hours, and any other information, your phone number. You can have an @organic, put your name here, put your website, appointment link, which is again your website. You can even have your products listed. I suggest you list all the services that your salon offers and fill out all of this information, and then a little blurb about your business. And you can add photos. So the next important thing is here are your labels. So I want you to look here, right? Labels. Labels are what I did my research. So if you go back to when we did our research in day 1 and 2, when we were saying what are the main search phrases, right? Look in your workbook. What are the main search phrases that people were looking for? This is where this would come in. So I know, and I'm going to also show you now a little trick where you can find them. that these are the main search phrases in this area that people are looking for. Okay, they come up really high on the search. So I make sure that these are my labels in my business. Now, even if you're, let's just say you have a really big competitor who has a lot of the clients that you want. There's another organic salon in this town, which is the next town over. I saw this to be one of the biggest searches because people are looking for salons that live in that area, but I'm in the next town. So here, this allows my business to pop up even higher on the search, okay? So now, I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to use this. When you come in here, you can navigate your reviews, okay? This is really important. This is where you navigate all your reviews that are super important, okay? Here you navigate posts. Now, posts are so important. I'm going to teach you guys why. Do you see what these look like? They look like social media posts, right? Now, I'll show you how this is done. These get so many views and attention, and they're constantly auto-populating in the, again, SEO, the search engine optimization. So when I want to create a post, I simply touch here, create post, and you can do this on your phone too, okay? Then you're going to go up here. Is it an offer? What's new? Are you having an event you want to put on the calendar? Do you want to highlight a product? I'm going to just go with what's new, okay? You upload a photo, grab a photo of hair, anything that you want to market, anything that you want to share on your page. Let me grab a hair photo here. We'll grab this chick, okay? Throw her on. Now, when you write your post, in this, it's super important to write in what your keywords are. So, organic hair salon, organic hair color, salon near me. Again, you can put as many things as you want in here that are going to help people find you, right? Then you put, what do you want people to do? So I want them to book, and I'm going to just throw in oh my goodness. Throw in my website, bang, publish, okay? You should be publishing on your Google business page at least 3 times a week. The more you do it, the better it is for your business. So it's super important. You could just add random photos, okay? This is not a post, this is just adding photos. Now you can see this, what it looks like to the public when they look. You can see all hair photos, right? So any photos you want to add, and then you can see the views. Like even here, you look, you can see like, well, this wasn't viewed that much, but like this one, yeah, look, 264 views. You can see what people are looking at. You can see what really appeals to your clientele. 484, look at this. This was like a little video I had made, right? And by looking at like this color, 227, again, you get the idea. This picture of, actually, it's my sister with her curly hair. Look at that. 1,008 views. This is more, do more of this. So when I look at this, I'm like, okay, do more of this. This attracted a lot, do more of this. So, you know, you get the idea. So you guys can just keep posting content on here. And I say, post your work, right? And then you simply do it by touching here, the plus sign, grab a photo, any photo. I'll put a picture of myself up there. Let's see, where am I? This looks good. My hair looks good. Let's put this up. And then that's just going to auto-populate into my SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, I'm going to take you back home now. This is where, if you want to create a Google ad, that's a whole nother class for another time. If you want help with that, I'm more than happy to help you with that one-on-one. I do have a 4-week program where I do teach you how to do all your marketing. So if that's something that you're interested in, feel free to reach out to me. I can teach you how to do that. So basically, this is our Google business. Now, here is important too, insights. Insights are such a powerful tool. This shows me where people are coming from. So look at this, 1,769 searches this month, right? Because it's here in 1 month. This is how many people searched my salon this month. That's a lot of people. And it shows you here where they're coming from discovery. So that means people actually punching in and searching for your business. okay? This is a huge, huge, huge factor, because think about if you can convert a percentage of these people, this is where my 5 new clients in 5 days comes from, okay? So you can see here, also you look at your stats, you can see what people are viewing, how many people looked for your location on the map, how many people actually visited your website and then actually called you. Now, this month I had 62 people visit my website. I did look at my numbers before I hopped on. In May alone, we had 11 new clients, okay? So 11 new clients, that's more than 5 clients in 5 days, right? So think about it. Like, so you have to really make your goal and figure out, once you get the people in, then it's your job to keep them in the salon. That's a whole nother argument, but this is the most powerful, powerful way to get business into your salon. And you can see you have the maps here. It shows you when people actually call from the Google business listing. All right. And it shows you like my photo quantity. I'm killing it. I have 531 photos and businesses like me have only 19. So I'm really posting a lot and it seems to be working great. Now I'm just going to click out of the Google business profile. I'm going to show you what it looks like, what Google sends to me. So now I'm opening my email. So this came the other day. This was a report for May 2022. Now, you can open they send you a report every month. You look and can see the report. By this, you could see how many people called, how many people asked for directions, how many website visits you had, how many profile visits, how many times you showed up in the search. These are super important. Now, look at this, the top 3 search terms that brought people to my website. So then you want to make sure, I check this every month. I look at what the top searches are that brought people to my website. If it's aligned with my brand, then I make sure I have these 3 top searches in my labels, okay? So I hope that makes sense. Again, these are the emails that Google sends me every month for my updates. Here you can click and it shows you a full report, but you can also see this full report. And just so you know, this is what it looks like on Google business listing, right? So like you can see the outside, you can see the photos, you can see all the reviews. This is what people see when they search your business and all of the SEO that comes with that. All right, guys, so I hope that this was helpful. I hope it makes sense to you. And I hope that you're gonna really take these steps to do this. Nothing gets done unless you take action. So please make sure you take action. Please make sure you register your Google business and please make sure you download it on your phone. Make sure that you're uploading pictures once a week. Make sure that you're filling it with keyword rich search engine words. It is the most underused, most powerful tool that you can have as a brick and mortar salon professional in the world. It is bar none the best strategy to attract qualified clients to your salon. But make sure you do your homework from day 1 and day 2 to bring you to day 3, setting up your Google business listing. Okay, let's see, what do we have next here? We should have our Facebook business. Okay, and this is another important factor. Even if you don't use Facebook, I want you guys to remember that your Facebook business listing should have your full name, your address, the hours you work. It should be connected to your Instagram. So when you post on Instagram, it automatically populates your Facebook business. So you're only doing things one time. Make sure you're doing that. When you create an event in your Facebook business page, you can invite all the people that follow your Facebook business page to an event or to a live workshop or to a demonstration of how to blow dry hair or a demonstration of a new product. And it's a great way to promote business because from your Facebook business page, you can actually boost or pay to have those events advertised. That is such an easy way to get new eyeballs on your business. I want you also today, before I leave for the day, I want you to create a content calendar, meaning just write on your calendar when you're going to upload things, when you're going to do, take the same content, put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook. Instagram, if it's connected to Facebook, you don't even have, you post once and it goes to both, Facebook Business, right? Then make sure you upload the same content to your Google business listing. Guys, I can't tell you enough. If you just take action, you consistently do this for 21 days. I'm going to be sharing with you tomorrow. I'm going to have Sarah Briggs come on, one of my beautiful clients who actually, she reached her goal of getting 10 new clients in a month. That was her goal. She surpassed her goal. And these are the strategies she used. It was a game changer because now she shows up as the specialist she is when people are searching for her. Because remember, when you advertise on Facebook or you advertise on platforms, people are not on there searching for you. When someone's physically searching or grabbing their phone going, you know, what's the best salon near me? I need highlights. And you pop up, it's a no-brainer because they're your qualified clients. Do you guys see the difference now of just randomly advertising to anyone and to focus on making sure you're listed properly so people can find you? Here's sending you guys massive love and light. Make sure you take action, do your homework from day 1, day 2, and today, day 3. Tomorrow, I am going to be talking about mindset, how to put all this together, and how to really kill it in your business. I'm going to be sharing some live interviews with my clients who actually have gotten these results and they want to share how it all went down for them. So I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day. Give me some hashtag live, hashtag replay. Let me know you're here. Let me know that this impacts you, and let me know what the biggest takeaway is from today's class. Sending you lots of love.